This is what you get with cubic zirconia status. This is what you get with Leonardo diamond status.
Homemade chicken. What's up with it, fam? Bars cooking up the good old homemade chicken wings. You already know we the best. Bars, check them out. Check them out. Y'all see it? Yeah, bars. That's how we doing it. Checkmate. Let's go. Yeah. Chicken wings coming up. Let's go. Hey. Yeah, y'all see it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Woohoo. What's up with it, family? What's up with it? Bar, look at that. Just look at that homemade chicken. Homemade chicken wing. Bar, what's up with it? Appreciate you showing love to the channel, man. No cap. You already know, man. We doing it good over here. Bar, appreciate you, man. Yeah. Appreciate you tapping in. Hit that thumbs up. Everybody have a blessed day. Woohoo. Gonna take some days out. Yeah. Let's go, bar. Hit that thumbs up. Oh man. Bro, I see that good you got. Bars. Hey, hey, work, 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 work. Yeah, you better work. Come on. That girl go. So when she work that thing, she don't on the ball. She was getting on the floor with the thing in the middle. She wanted to make it down. And then she get devil. She throw it in the gutter like a bone fiddle. I never been a victim. I'm a devil. Hope you know the difference. When she work that bar, hope you got a class. People secret minutes like I class. Oh, what's up with it, my bro? You know, I'm getting ready for my monkeys. Ooh. You put it on your lap, it's the third on there. Hey, work, hey, work, 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 work. Can you work? Hey, hey, work, work.